Hey guys, this is James. I am on the brand spanking new Norwegian Bliss, and we are in stateroom number 13232. It is a mini suite, and it's interesting because the overall floor plan is actually kind of tiny here. It's just big enough to be comfortable. I'm a big guy, so I'm able to walk by here just enough. It's got a couch right there. By the way, Norwegian has some great drinks. We got some painkillers, and I think that one in the middle is a crazy fish or something like that. So anyhow, got a flat screen TV right here. Comes out a little, no, it doesn't come out, but it angles for you. Phone, and we are here on the West Coast Inaugural in the Port of Los Angeles, also known as San Pedro. So here's the balcony. We got two chairs here, a little table. It's just big enough. As you can see, we're in an industrial area here. Norwegian Bliss will be sailing out of Alaska in the summer, as well as I think they're going to be doing some West Coast cruises and then down across the canal to the Caribbean for the summer. Anyhow, we'll be seeing more in just a second. But here's the the room. Got the couch here. I'm not sure if this is a pull-out. No, it's just a mattress, but it looks like it's kind of big enough that you could probably have a third person laying there. Got the bed. Now, I mentioned that it is a little bit of small footprint for a mini suite, but it's got some nice closet space here. And probably the thing I like about it most as a bigger guy is the fact that the bathroom is actually pretty large, which, as far as cruise ships go, that's an important thing. Got a nice double sink. Shower over here. It's got a rain head sort of there. Definitely much better than your standard cruise ship bathroom shower. And like I said, you got two double sinks over there and the toilet. So that is the tour of stateroom 232. It's a mini suite. We're about midship on the Norwegian Bliss. And stay tuned. Check out the link in my description for a link to my review coming shortly. Thanks. Bye-bye.